What we're going to do now is install the Google Analytics 4 code into Google Tag Manager. So this is the Google Analytics page. We're going to click Install Manually so I can see the code, and I'm going to copy this part right here. I'll need that later on. Then go over to your Google Tag Manager account, click Tags, click New, title your tag GA4 base code. Click the pencil icon under Tag Configuration, click Google Analytics, Google Tag, paste in the Tag ID area the code I told you to copy in the previous page in the Google Analytics account. Under Trigger, click the pencil icon, click All Pages, click Save. Now, anytime you add anything to Google Tag Manager, make sure you click Submit in the top right corner and Publish. You can name what you changed in this container if you want. So add a GA4 base code, continue, and then exit out of that. If you do not submit your changes, your workspace changes will say a number instead of 0. It'll say 1, 2, anything, and your changes would not have been saved and put out there. So now when you go into Analytics, your code is all set for collecting page views. You just have to wait 48 hours until you see data load into your profile, and from now on it will always be 48 hours delayed.